Sokar baman Khasi, awalam shapi da undang yalam news.
Nakaliang yung Seng Khasi Seng me ngadon hindi at banong iay na ay kublay ya baro kinong one shot kinong paykay bat kunjuru kito gibi papet ya ka live stream na lagi jong giyeng hangni nga chukwa ban pentip happy baro hapo kajingalam baradba jong chief minister jong jela jong i Meghalaya u Conrad sangma ngilala ban penurong yakaway nagi jingkwa ba jingtmu jong kaseng kata kalong ban sna ya ka Indigenous Cultural Center hangte hamokar tingi ai kublay nakaliang jong kaseng ya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma ya ka Tourism Department ba Paul ya kini ka jingle bha ba jingle bun ka jongki ngakwa nakaliang jongpi ki paroseng tongini thapti ya kani ka jingle bha jong kani ka Sorkar. On behalf of Seng Khasi Seng, I would like to share wonderful news with all of you here as well as all those watching the live stream at home. The Seng Khasi will be constructing an Indigenous Cultural Center in the premises of its headquarters in Mokhar, Shillong. The project has been sanctioned by the government of Meghalaya under the dynamic and inspirational leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sangma. The Indigenous Cultural Center will be implemented via the Tourism Department of Meghalaya, and we would like to take this opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Minister of Tourism, Shri Paul Lingdo too. We would like to also thank each and every person and every organization that has helped make our dream a reality, especially on this auspicious occasion of the year where we are celebrating the 125 years anniversary of Seng Khasi Seng. Please, may I request all of you to kindly give a warm welcome, a big clap for our Honorable Chief Minister. Thank you. We have a short clip, a video on the giant screen. May you all look on the giant screen what this Indigenous Cultural Center is all about. Baro kelum lang kilong siajar sanspa kanyongut kinong sim bentaha kene ke shat suk bensim arhajar arbusan kublish bun yagi nong shat baro. We are happy and glad to announce that the participants in this year Shat Suk Mansim 2025 are 830.
Buat baman Khasi, subscribe ke channel Undang Yalam News.